In this video, I will show you how you can turn off Google Gemini on any Samsung tablet. Now to do this, first of all, just open the Google app on your tablet. And after that, just tap on the profile icon over here. Now just scroll down and tap on settings. And from here, just tap on Google Assistant. On this page, just scroll down and tap on Digital Assistant from Google. Now instead of Gemini, just select Google Assistant. Then tap on Switch, and by doing this you will switch from Google Gemini to the Google Assistant. But if you want to turn off both Google Gemini and Google Assistant, then just go back. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on General. After you do that, then just disable Google Assistant from here. Then just select Turn Off, and by doing this, you will turn off Google Assistant on your tablet. But if you want to turn off Google Gemini and Google Assistant from the power button, and if you want to bring back the power menu instead of the digital assistant, just go to settings. Then in the search bar, just search this. Tap on side button. And from here, just tap on long press. Now instead of the digital assistant, just select power menu. Now if you go to your home screen and if you press and hold the power button, as you can see, we have successfully disabled Google Gemini and Google Assistant from the power button. And we have successfully brought back the power menu, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.